Today, let us do some subtraction problems. Okay? Yesterday, you people have learned what is meant by subtraction, right? Just recall once again what all we have learned yesterday before we go to the solving part. Okay? Yesterday, you people have learned regarding subtraction. What are those things you have learned? You have learned about difference, right? You all know what do you mean by difference? The answer which you get after subtraction is called what? Difference. Right, children? Difference. And the number which is going to be subtracted is called what? Subtrahend. And the bigger number which is there, from which we are going to subtract the subtrahend, is called what? Minuend. The bigger number from which we are going to subtract another number, that number is called minuend. And also we have learned about regrouping. Regrouping leads to what in subtraction? It is borrowing. Okay? Regrouping means what? In subtraction, it leads to borrow. Whereas in addition, it leads to carry over. Right, children? Now open your notebook, all of you. Put today's date. Children, we have done some problems with regrouping also, no? Yesterday, 2, 3, 4 digits. Yesterday, have we done that? With regrouping 2, 3, 4 digits numbers. Okay, let us do some more subtraction problems now. Okay, take a fresh page. Put today's date. Take a heading as subtract, or else you may get the question in one more way as solve the following. Solve the following. Okay, children. Now let us take one problem here. A 3-digit number (456 minus 3). Let us subtract this and let us see. Any doubt till here, children? Any doubt till here? Everything is clear, right? So many of you have unmuted your videos. You people just on it. On your videos, children. Yes. Are you all ready with your books? Even still some of you have not on your videos. Yashman, David, Rishank, Vignesh. Yeah, Nana. Akshay, any doubt?
Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, that in the screen, your photo only I can see in
Whiteboard you can't see?
Screen. No,
You cannot see the whiteboard? What about others, children? Can you see? Okay, Shreyan can able to see, it seems. I have written one question. Can you see, Nana? Shreyan, good. See, he can see. Why can't you see, Akshay?
Ma'am, daily it will not come.
Daily it is not getting to you. Might be some
Yeah,
problem with your device, Nana. Try to change the device. Okay. It is not here, this here problem. Okay, try to change the device and see, otherwise make some adjustments in it. Okay, move your
Ma'am,
screen. Are you using your mobile phone or laptop?
laptop.
Laptop only. Then adjust,
Yeah,
take the guidance of your parents and once adjust it. Okay,
okay, ma'am.
mute yourself now. Let us go to this problem. Here the simplifications and all I'll just show you roughly. Don't take it now. After my explanation, you people have to do it. Okay, Abhignesh, are you there? Sit properly. Are you writing? Everybody should be ready with your pencils. Got it? You people do the simplification in the rough book first, then you can fade it into your notebook. I will also show you the part roughly. Okay, here 456 minus 3 is there. How you have to subtract 3 from 456. While placing the numbers to subtract, how you have to subtract 3 from it? See, you have to place 3 under ones place only and you start subtracting. It is very easy to subtract, right children? Here there is no need to regroup or something else. So you just have to subtract, start from the ones place onwards. Rohin, are you busy with some other works? Try to write, try to do this problem. 6 minus 3 is how much? 6 minus 3 is 3. Yesterday I have told you how to do the forward counting, right? Remember that and follow that one. Here 6 minus 3 is 3, which is in the ones place. Start from ones place onwards always. Next tens place, you find only 5, right? No other number. Write down 5. Next in the hundreds place again only 4 you can find. So what is the answer here? 453. This simplification should be done here, children. Down to the question. Take down again. Four hundred and 56 minus 3. 3, 5, 4. The answer is 453. Make it fast. Let's go to the next problem. We have so many problems to do, so let us don't waste any more time. Okay, make it fast, children. You understood how to do, right? Still we have some regrouping problems also. All those we have to attempt today. Now let's go to B bit. It's A bit, right? This is A bit. Let's go to B bit. Let us take the same kind of problem, but what is the difference here? See, we have solved a problem based on a 3-digit number minus a 1-digit number. Here also I have taken a 3-digit number minus 1-digit number. But what is the difference here? Here there is a need to regroup. Rohin, you are diverting a lot today. Listen to me carefully, okay? See, children, here there is a need to regroup this number. See, let us see now. 643 minus 6 is there, right? Here there is a need to regroup. Why? Because let's come to ones place numbers. Let's come to ones place numbers. Here we have 3. 3 minus 6. Can you subtract 6 from 3? See, some of you will do like this way. 643 minus 6 is, simply you will subtract 3 from 6 and you will write 3. This is not a right way to do. Here, always you have to see the minuend position. You have to subtract the subtrahend from the minuend only. What is there? What is present in the minuend place, in the ones place? 3 is there, right? We cannot subtract 6 from 3 as 3 is less than 6, right? So for that sake, Sanvi, listen, Nana. First you listen. Afterwards you can do the simplification. Okay? I know you people can do it, but listen first, okay? See, we can't subtract 6 from 3, right? As 3 is less than 6. Rowan, listen to me. Look at the screen, all of you. As we can't subtract 6 from 3, what here we are doing? We are making this 3 a bigger number than 6. How can we make? By borrowing tens from tens place. 110 from tens place. What is there here in the tens place? It's 4. That means we have 40 there, right? From 40, we are borrowing 110. Means we are taking one borrow to one's place. And here, this 4 is reduced to 3. Right, children? Now let's subtract. What is there in the ones place? What you can find in the ones place? It's 13. Right, children? It's 13. Now you can subtract 6 from 13, right? You can subtract 6 from 13. How you will do subtraction here? Before, you people used to do by just taking the fingers, like opening these many fingers and subtracting the smaller number. Means you are just closing the small number of fingers and you will be doing like that. But I have told you yesterday the forward counting method. How you have to do? You just start from the smaller number onwards, after number onwards. What is the smaller number here? 6, right? 6 after is what? 7. Till 13 you have to take 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many numbers you can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right? So 13 minus 6 is how much? It's 7. Let us do it again with your fingers. All of you, close your fingers. Close your fingers, Nana. Close it. Close. Now, what is the smaller number here? 6, right? 6 after is what? 7. Start counting from 7 onwards till 13. Take the smaller finger first from right side, from right hand onwards, okay? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers I have opened? Now you start counting these fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? How many fingers I have opened just now? 7. Like this way you can count 7. Next, under tens place, what is there? 3. Under hundreds place, what is there? It's 6. Okay, children? It's 637. Got it? Clear to you all? Is it clear to you all? Now take down. Finish, children? You understood, right? You all understood how to subtract by taking by borrowing method or regrouping method? We can call it as a borrowing method, or else we can call it as regrouping method also. Now, second bit. Second bit, A bit is subtract 516 from 617. See children, what is the question given? You should understand in whatever way the question may be. You just have to understand the question first. Okay, what is the question given here? Subtract 516 from 617. Which is the bigger number here? 617 is the bigger number, right? He is asking to remove this 516 from this one, and you have to see the remainder. What remains you have to see. What number left over you have to observe. How you have to take this? 617 minus 516. You people may get confused and you may sometimes write like 516 minus 617. This is the wrong way to write. You cannot subtract a bigger number from a smaller number, and according to the question it is 516 is the smaller number. You have to remove that from 617. 617 must be placed first while subtracting. Got it? 617 minus 516. Let us subtract now. 617 minus 516. Here is a easy way to subtract. Why? Because there is no need to regroup. Right, children? Start from the units place, or else it is called as ones place. Okay, ones place or units place means the same. Start from the ones place onward. 7 minus 6 is how much, children? 7 minus 6. You can show with fingers also. Everyone, I just want to observe you people. I'm not going to ask each and every person like that. Don't want to point out you people. You can show just through video. 7 minus 6 is how much? You can show it through video. Why you people are hesitating to show? 7 minus 6 is how much, children? You people are busy in writing only. You will not listen to me. You people are very busy in writing. You still have not taken the question? Okay, I'll give you little time to carry over that question first. Take down the question and answer me later after you take down the question. You people are simplifying the question, I think. Problem, right? Anybody still? Azan completed? You're sitting idle, that's why I'm asking you. Yashmant, are you writing? Have you taken this question? Second bit, second question A bit. It's subtract 516 from 617. Here there is need to subtract 516 from 617. 617 minus 516. Now let me explain you here. 7 minus, start from ones place onwards. It's 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6, you can use your fingers, right? Forward counting is very easy for it. Start from the smaller number, 6 onwards. 6 after is 7, right? Only one left over. Write down 1 here. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. 6 minus 5 again is 1, right? 5 after is 6. Only 1 remains. Got it? Completed? Why you people are not sending me the homework pics? On the same day itself, you people have to send, right, children? On whatever day I'm going to give the homeworks, on the same day itself, you people have to send me the homework pics. Got it? Next. Sahasra, any doubt? You-
Ma'am.
Okay. Now let's go to next problem. Is it completed to everyone? Is it completed to everyone? Just raise your thumb like this. Those who have completed, just raise your thumb. Shrestha, you have not completed still? Shrestha, can you hear me, Shrestha? Shrestha, any problem? Yes. Sahasra, your video is getting stuck, the children. Sometimes your people's video is getting stuck here. So many of you have unmuted your videos. Okay. Always make it on. Don't try to off these videos, your videos. Okay. It's completed. Is it completed to everyone? I'm going to the next one. Medha, any doubt? You have raised your hand? No? Okay. Completed? Okay then. Subtract Shrestha. Where is Shrestha? Yes, Shrestha. Any doubt, Shrestha?
No, nothing,
Just
ma'am.
now,
I
yeah, just now
complete
I
my.
called you because there was no response from you. That's why I have written your name on the board. So that at least you can see your name.
Okay,
Okay? Okay
ma'am.
then. Yeah. Okay then. Yeah, yeah. Who is this? Yashasvi. Is it okay to everyone? Now let us go to next bit. Subtract 368 from 649. Meda, sit in your place. Try to take down that question. Subtract 368 from 649. 649. Is it not clear? Shall I write somewhat bigger? Is it okay? Now subtract this 649 minus 368. Let us subtract now 649. I'll be giving you same kind of problems as homework. You people have to do by yourself without taking anybody's help. Got it? If you have any doubt, you can clear it and you have to solve these problems by yourself. Let us subtract now. Come to ones place. It's 9 minus 8. You can easily subtract 8 from 9. If you subtract 9 minus 8, what is the answer, children? Whenever you subtract a predecessor of a given number, then what you will get? You will get the answer as 1. Okay? Shrestha, you have raised your hand. Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Your voice is stuck, ma'am.
My voice is stucking. Now is
Yeah.
it clear? Is it okay?
Sometimes
Might be there is a connection problem near your area.
that time the
Might be some problem near you, near your area, I think. Others can hear me clearly. Right, children? Can you all able to hear me clearly? Maybe some connection problem is raised, I think, children. All of you on your videos? On your videos? You people can hear me clearly? Just raise your thumb. If you can able to hear me clearly, okay. Okay then. 9 minus 8 is 1. Now come to tens place. It's 6. 4 minus 6. You cannot subtract 6 from 4, right? Then make it as a bigger number by borrowing 1 from the next place. It's 6, right? Means it is 600. You are borrowing 100 from 600 to this 4. So how much does it becomes here? See, you have to take 1 borrow from 6. So 6 is getting reduced to 5, right? We have taken 1 from 6. So it is reduced to 5. And in the tens place, it's 14. We have made it as 14. Now 14 minus 6 is how much? 14 minus 6. How you will find out? How you will find out? Close all your fingers. Close your fingers. Start counting from after number of 6 onwards. Close your fingers. Start counting from after number of 6. Like 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. How many? How many fingers are there? You can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fingers, right? So 14 minus 6 is how much? It's 8. Coming to 5 minus 3, you all know that it's 2, right? 3 after 4, 5, 2. It's 281. Now let us see how to subtract the numbers with zeros. Okay, children. Which one now? It's C-bit. Subtract. Make it fast. We have to go to the course book work also. Subtract 769 from 900. Here 900 is having 2 zeros, right? How we have to do then this kind of problems? (900) minus 769. It is clear till here for you people, right? Let us find out the answer. Let us find out the difference here. How we can subtract? Here we have 2 zeros and we have to subtract 769 from it. Come to ones place, we have 0, right? As 0 is less than 9, we cannot subtract 9 from 0. For that purpose, what we are going to do? Actually, we are going to the next place to take borrow, right? We are going to the next. Look at the screen, all of you. This is the important thing I'm explaining you here. For everyone, I'm saying, stop writing. Listen to me. Stop writing, all of you. I should see everyone looking at the screen. Stop writing. I'll just switch it off now. I'll remove the whiteboard here if you go on writing like this. Vignesh, stop writing. Just look at the board and listen to me, Kavish. And who else? Still writing? Yeah, Nana, you have to look at the screen. Yashmant, where are you? Where is the screen? Your left side is there? No, no? Then? Yeah, remaining all of you are looking at the screen. Medha, look at the screen. Ananya, why you off your video? Advit, Arham. Okay, Ananya, I can see you now. Rishang, you people have to on the videos. Now listen, here, see, there is a need to take borrow from the before place, right? What are the tattoos you have kept, Ananya? Don't do that. It damages your skin. See, children, here 0 is there. We cannot subtract 9 from 0. For that purpose, we have to take borrow from the before place, right? But here also there is 0 existed here, right? Here there is 0 existing here. So what is the thing you have to do? First, let us take borrow to this number. Okay, from the before place. So here, let us take borrow from this one. It became 10 and we have to reduce from 1 from 9. So here, 9 became 8. Got it till here? It is clear? Now we have 10 here, right children? Now we have 10 here. From this 10, again we can take borrow to 0. So here if we take one borrow, this became 10 and this 10 will not remain as it is, right? As 1 got reduced from it, 10 minus 1 is how much? It's 9. So 10 became 9 here and this units place became 10. In the tens place it is 9 and in the hundreds place it is 8. Now let us start subtracting. Start from ones place onwards. It's 10 minus 9 is how much? It's 1, right? Coming to tens place. It's 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is how much? Yes, it's 3, right children? It's 3. Very good. You can show like that. 9 minus 6 is 3. Now coming to hundreds place, we have 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is how much? It's good. It's 1. So the answer is how much? 131. So if any time, if you have to solve this kind of problems, you have to go through it very carefully and you have to do those problems. Got it, children? There is no need to worry if there is no chance to take borrow. What you have to do, you just have to move to the next places. Depending on that, you have to take borrow, right children? These kind of problems we'll be doing further in the next classes also, this kind of problems. Got it? In 4-digit numbers also you may find this kind of problems. So we let us do those problems in the next class. But right now you go to course book page 3, children. It's course book page 3. Children, remove course book page 3. Please on your videos, all of you. Do the A bit, all of you. It's 6,524 minus 4,687.